Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Escape. We're going to be taking a look at the ProClip center mount number 854795. Now before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as this blue covering here and under here. Now you want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, you want to make sure you attach the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. The first seam we're going to take a look at is this one right here, which is between this softer part of the dash and this hard piece that goes around the vent. So right along here. So you want to take the included gap opener and we're just going to insert it into that seam just to open it up a little bit. And now you're going to take this upper L-shaped edge here. We're going to insert that into the newly opened seam. You can remove the gap opener. And now you want to take the gap opener and move it down to the seam that's between this vent flashing here and the faceplate of the radio. So right under here. Insert that. And now we want to press the mount into place. Snap it into the seam. You can remove the gap opener. And now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.